Kyle, is it still? Huh? Kyle, come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Harap ka di. Are you ready?
For what?
On your doomsday. Kyle, you eat that. Kain ka mabuti ha. Ha? Okay. Get ready on July 2nd. Good morning, welcome to my vlog. Today is a very special day kasi magpapatuli ako. Ay, magpapatuli pala si Istan. Hindi, magpapatuli yung pamangkin ko. Si Kael, yung 12 years old. So, sasamahan ko siya magpatuli. So, sa mga sa Pilipinas kasi, di ba, talaga normally, pagdating nyo ng 12 years old, tinutuli na di ba? Dito kasi sa US, pagpanganak ng bata, tinutuli na agad isa pamangkin ko, ibang case kasi dumating siya dito, 1 year old. So, ngayon pala siya tutuliin. So, iba yung procedure ng tuli dito So, malaman nyo kung paano magpatuli dito sa US. Pakita ko sa inyo yung hospital. Doon yung nagtatrabaho yung brother-in-law ko sa hospital. Yung maganda rin, malaki. So, let's see, let's join. Magpatuli tayo ngayon. Buti naman, hindi na umuulan. Umuulan kanina So, kaya ako naka-jacket Summer pero maulan. So, papunta na ako sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Susundin ko si Kael. So, get ready Kael to be a teenager. Siyempre, pag tuli ka na, alam mo na. Binata ka na. Diba? Sundin na natin yung pamangking ko. Dito na. Let's go! Where are you, Kael? Ano ba yun? Asa si Kael? Are you ready, Kael?
Maybe not.
Dun dun dun! Hello!
Hello.
Ayan na siya. Are you ready, Kael?
Yeah.
Did you prepare yourself for your tuli?
Yeah.
Kael, diba Tito Daniel magtutuli sa'yo? So, kunyari, ito yung pututoy mo. Ganyan. He will cut it. Magiging ganito na lang pututoy mo.
Wow.
Alright?
Yeah.
Hinga.
I'm not.
Inhale, exhale. Oh, throw the garbage. Yan lupit getting ready. Boy tuli. Did you say goodbye to your lola? Very good. Magtapon ka ng basura. Big boy ka na Yan layo ng basurahan niyo So, say hi to my vlog. Sabihin mo Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo, I'm getting circumcised. Oh, you gonna watch this after like 10 years.
I'm not gonna watch.
You're a tuli star. Huh? You're gonna watch this? Oh, don't go there. Dito na. Hey, Kael. Let's do this. Tan 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 tan. You're a man now. All right. Boy tuli. What do you feel?
I'm not gonna get to that.
Why? What do you feel? Tell me.
Scared.
Scared? Don't be scared. Be a man.
You said it's gonna be painful.
Hindi. It's not gonna be painful. Oh, look at your hospital, oh.
Woo!
Wow, it's a big hospital. So, Hel,
What?
just deep inhale, exhale. We'll call Tito Donel so he can prep your pangtuli. We're gonna call Tito Donel. Tito Donel's working here, eh. Oh. Ganda ng hospital ni Tito Donel, no? Let me see your hand. Let me see. Yung nga. Is it cold? Let me see. Oh, hindi naman pala cold eh. You're not nervous. Ayan din, no? Tutuliin din yan. Kasabay mo yan, no? Tutuliin din yun eh. Laki nitong hospital ni Tito Donel eh.
Magkasama ka, dapat nag-golden hands kayo.
Oh, you know, boy tuli din, oh. Dun dun dun. Kyle, after your tuli, you take a rest. Saan ba yun? Ang layo. Hello. Magtutuli na kami. Itan, nostalgic ba sa yung tuli?
Huh?
Nostalgic ba sa yung tuli?
Sapat pa to eh.
Ay, parang pinapatagal mo yung naliligaw pa tayo.
Oh my God.
Ang lupit nitong hospital mo. Hospital. Sabi nga ni Tito Donel, hospital. Yun, patuli din yun. Laki na nun ha. Kita mo? Laki nun. Tandaan na nun. Nagpatuli. Ngayon pa lang. 1.
So din lang dito, dapat din tayo umakit.
Ako, niloloko tayo nung babaeng yun eh.
Kaya ang tatakay.
Yan ang hospital mo, Kael, oh. Ang lupit. Ayun, D. Lobby.
Dito lang,
Mhm.
turn right.
Mhm. Lupit. This way. Palapit na tayong palapit, Kael. Ayun! Di nga, pag ganun. Oh. What do you feel, Kyle? Virtual. Oh!
Kaya exercise.
Lupit ah. Laki talaga ng hospital ni Tito Donel.
Pupunta kayo pa si Donel.
Oo nga. Ang hirap pa na papuntahin dito si Donel. Baka may tinutuli pa. May tinutuli si Donel bago makarating sa atin dito si Donel. Putsang na. Uwian na nila eh. Oy Donel, ang laki pala ng ospital mo. Ito pa lang eh. Ubus na yung oras ko maglakad. Say hi. Here we are. Come here. I'm gonna interview you now. Tell me what's your thoughts?
My thoughts.
What? What's running on your head?
Craziness.
Craziness? Like what?
What will go wrong or what will happen good?
What?
I don't know.
What do you think it's gonna? What do you think is gonna happen?
Turn.
Don't worry, they're all professional. Tito Donel is a professional
I
cutter.
don't want it to do that.
Why you don't want Tito Donel to cut your pututoy? Huh? You don't trust Tito Donel?
I don't trust any of you guys doing
Why?
it. I need professionals. Real professionals.
Tito Donel is professional. You know how he cut his grass?
Yeah.
That's the way he cuts your pututoy. No, we got a good doctor.
Alright.
A surgeon.
How much you pay him?
Huh?
How much you pay him?
I pay him $100.
100. You could have bought someone that is $100,000.
What?
It doesn't matter how much you pay a person. What matters is his skills, how he cut the grass.
You paid Tito $100.
Yes, I paid Tito Donel $100 to cut you. Don't worry, Tito Donel is really good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you see his face every time he He talk to you?
He
He's so
wears
serious. Huh?
He wears a ski mask.
Yes. He wears a ski mask. That's why.
He's not gonna wear a mask. He's just gonna wear a ski mask. That's gonna make me more scared.
No. He's gonna put you on sleep.
What if,
Then when you wake up, it's already done.
what if the sleep doesn't work?
It would work. Yeah. So we're just checking in.
I trust him and I trust you guys too.
Huh?
I trust everyone.
Oh, you should trust everyone. Don't worry, after this you're gonna watch this video and say, oh, that's so funny.
I'm not gonna watch that video until I'm 80. I'm not gonna watch that video until I'm 80.
Don't worry. You'll be a good good ano you call that? Sige. Ako nilagyan ng ganito, ako yata tutuliin. Hindi naman ako ang tutuliin, ako nilagyan nito. Kael, nagkamali. They gave me this, so I'm gonna get the tuli.
Oh my god.
Ang hindi mo na kasi. May balat pa yun.
Walang nga, ako naging pasyente.
Maingat. Hindi ako labas sa tayo dumaan.
Gano'n na ako, dito na lang.
Dito rin yan.
Ihimo na ako. Oo, ihimo na ako, ninervous tuloy ako, tutuliin na naman ako. Grabe oh, putyang ina, ako pa matutuli. Kinakabahan ako, tutuliin na naman ako ah. Kael, ikaw ang dapat tutuliin, ba't ako nilagyan nito? Second time is a charm, no. I think Tito Donel is pranking me because they put the wristband sa
I paid
akin.
him $150 to put it.
Ba't ako ang binigyan ng wristband, ha? See?
I paid him.
Ako? Hindi naman ako ang patient. Ikaw.
You're a patient too.
Tito Donel, ba't mo naman pinagtripan yung mga nurse? Tatakbo na ako. Hindi pa ako nila ako matutuli ngayong uli. Hindi ako papayag na tutuliin nila ako. No! Kinakabahan na ako. What you feel is I feel it right now. Did you pray na?
Hindi nagpatuloy ka lang. Sino kasama mo?
Tito Jojo yung kasama ko nagpatulo eh.
Really?
Yeah, Tito Jojo.
I have no one though.
So the day. Yung day ng tuli ko, yung doktor, ang nilabas yung Allen wrench, chainsaw, lawnmower. This is it. You got this. And you're nervous? Yung kwarto ni Kael. So, hindi naman dito yung preparation. Preparation lang to, pero dito, hindi dito yung... Dito na kayo gagawin yung ano? Surgery. So, let's see. Jumingle si Kael. Naihi. Just nervous. You need to dress up. Imagine you're in a boxing fight. Prepping for your boxing fight. Put your shoes there.
Sa plastic na.
Sa plastic. You got this, Kyle.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Well, after your surgery, you'll eat your lunch. Baliktad. Yung rubber is about... Ay, baliktaran pala yun.
You can wear it anyway.
Oo nga. Hindi ko alam, ganyan pala yun. Boy tulad.
Tapos remove mo daw lahat.
Oh, remove everything. You would...
Tanggalin mo muna yung t-shirt mo.
Wala, natai sa brief.
There's no poop.
Okay na ha. Ganda ng ano. Job forms ah. Ayos. Ano? What can you say? Ha? Huh?
Jesus will always be with me.
Ha?
My guardian angel will be with me.
Okay. Okay. Ayos na. So, this is it, Kyle.
Yeah. This is it.
I will call Tito Donel na.
No!
Kasi nga, kailangan ko na tawagin si Tito Donel para ano. Actually, nagpe-prep na si Tito Donel. Nagbibihis na. Kaya ni Tito Donel yan. Ilan na yung tinulian ni Tito Donel. Minsan pa nga, itak yung ginamit niya sa Pampanga. Say thank you kay Tito Donel.
Thank you, Tito Donel.
Sabi mo, Tito Donel, huwag mo masyadong ano ha. Ha? Lupit oh. Ang lupit oh. Nag-TV pa oh. Ang lupit ah. Naka-TV pa. Big time talaga si Tito Donel eh. Lupit. Time check. Anong oras na? So, wala pa. Ilang oras tayo na mag-aantay?
20 minutes na daw.
20 minutes? Go Diego, go. Sabi mo kay Tito Donel, huwag siya masyadong ano ha, rough sa pagtuli. Time check. What time is it?
I don't know.
It's 11:29 na. You're still here? So, Kyle, did you... Oh, nag-last check ka na sa pututoy mo eh, no? Nag-wiwi ka eh, no? Did you say goodbye to your pututoy?
No.
Ay, hindi ko nakatit.
Lalabas na yun.
No, di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, ganito, kanyari pututoy mo, dahil ka nakatit, yung magiging ganito na lang.
Yung skin lang, lalabas na yung head.
Yari. Time check. Almost 12. Andito pa rin si Kael. Ano, Kael? Are you still okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinainom ka na ng pangpakalma mo. What it tastes like?
Hand sanitizer.
Tastes like hand sanitizer. Ayos. So it's like a alcohol thing. Oh, kalmado ka na maya-maya. Hindi ka na hyper. Oh. Anxious ka ba?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, time check again. Ito na. Dumating ni doktor, si Kyle, medyo sleepy na, pero wala pa sa kanya yung anesthesia and ano. Pero baka yung ininom niyang pampakalme, no? Kaya siya medyo sleepy. Pero wala pa yung talagang anesthesia na pang ano, sedated niya. Okay. Sleep tight, Kyle. Time check. So, pinasok na si Kyle sa operating room. Yun, gutom mo. Ang lupit ng pagkain dito, lobster roll, oh. Sarap. Si ate, BLT. Si Dayan, pa Starbucks lang. Lupit. Donel, kamusta yung operasyon ni Kael? Si Kael, groggy pa. Tulog pa. Tulog oh. Wawa naman. So natapos ang kanyang tuli ay 2 o'clock PM. So ganun katagal? 12:30. Then after 2 hours doon lang natapos yung surgery niya.
Gising na?
Hey Kyle.
Gising ka na ba?
Kyle. Still passed out.
Gising ka na?
Hello. Good morning. Are you okay?
Hi, you're all finished, Michael.
You know where you are? Huh? Are you okay?
Okay ka na na?
Do you know where?
Sarap ang tulog mo?
Who's your mom? Huh? What's your mom's name? Are you okay or are you still sleepy?
He looks like he's
Yeah.
still sleeping to me.
Kyle, is it still? Huh? Are you good? So, you're not a baby anymore. You're a young man. Okay? Alright. If you want to go
You're
home,
not fitting any bottles anymore.
alright? If you want to go home, don't act like a baby, okay?
Popsicle now.
Okay? We're going home.
Always makes you feel better.
Alright. Well, that's gonna be your dental clinic na ha. Total is natoli ka na. Natoli dental. Natoli ka na, ma-dental ka pa.
Hindi siya naniniwala. Ano daw, si Tito Donel na doon sa operating.
Ano ka ba si Tito Donel mo nag-ano sa'yo operate?
Ano,
Nag-surgery.
nakita mo nga sa video.
May video dyan, tinan mo.
Galingan
Galing ni Tito Donel eh. Siyempre hindi na siya punta doon sa ano, nurse na lang yung nasa boy tuli. Ganyan na maglakad ang tuli. Tuli pa more. Bye-bye na Kel.
Pero hindi siya nakaalis.
Bye. It's okay. Kel,
Hindi kakain pa siya.
say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe and don't forget to like for me.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.